What up, YouTube? It's Walt, Box Creator. Last box of SP Legendary Cuts Baseball. Again, I bought these 3 boxes off eBay. They are not sequentially numbered, which means that they've most likely been case searched, meaning that the 2 case hits have been found and they're selling off the leftovers at the same price. You got to watch that. It seems like you're getting a good deal, but the likelihood of getting a case hit on a searched box is pretty low. We've got Steve Carlton and Tom Glavine. Carlton's got a little piece of jersey there. So that's part of the reason it's good to buy an actual case. You can get your case hits. Again, 2 cut autos. Destined for history. Kurt Schilling. There. Game used. There's a lot of guys on YouTube that run card shops and stuff that you can buy from that they're going to give you honest. They're going to give you the straight up same case stuff. I've got an auto, Carlos Gonzalez, Colorado Rockies, numbered 69 of 125, so good low numbered auto on card. That's our first auto out of the boxes. I'm not an A's fan. So Weezer, if you're watching this, you can let me know if he's any good. David Ortiz, destined for history, destined for AAA. Red Sox, I love the Sox, but man, what is he doing? I don't know what he's doing, but he's not playing good baseball. Batting like 190. Dual jersey, Mike Schmidt, Ramirez. Ooh. There you go. Dual. What are they doing in Chad's room? Chad, that better be porn you're watching there, brother. All that screaming going on. We are not, unless we get in the last 4 packs, we're going to get any case hits because we've most likely been searched. Clinton. Gotta love the Clinton cards. Ryan Braun. Card Tiger Woods. So far, this has not been a good box. $100 a box on average. Florida Gators. Nice. Don't always ring drum. Very some cards. Pool holes. Dummy card. I don't know what the hell that is. Something about Cuba. Frederick Douglass numbered card. Yeah, that's going to stay in the bases. And that's it, guys. Pretty much nothing. So, what did we learn today? Don't buy single boxes off eBay. Catch you later.